Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to a super secret preview of the southern wing of the Stinkbugworks. And remember, here at the Stinkbugworks, if we can't fix it, you don't pay. And we haven't had a paying customer in years. Anyway, I thought I would give you a sneak preview. The southern wing of the Stinkbugworks is rapidly approaching a point where it's usable. I still have a few more various and sundry things to do. I'm going to put a light bar underneath here to light up this backside here. I think I'm going to put more magnetic stuff to hang stuff there. And what's going to happen is this station, the southern wing, is going to become guitars and mechanical assembly only. Cutting and gluing, painting will all happen on the eastern wing. So what's been happening is I cleared this entire thing off, and then I go to various other substations and grab stuff that says, oh, this belongs on the southern wing. So all these little nut drivers and screwdrivers will eventually have magnetic holders, and they'll be there, easy to access. I used to have my toolbox over here, but now I have it on a rollaway, and I can add more stuff to it, and then I can take my toolbox wherever I need to in the shop. But generally speaking, it'll be there, and most of the stuff I'll normally use will be up here. So there'll be a slight change in procedures. So I thought I'd let you know I'm getting close to the point where I can actually start things. I need to finish this off, have a few electrical things and such on the way and some magnetic things, and then I can get working on the eastern wing. And once the eastern wing is settled, the central wing will be a piece of cake and we'll be ready to rock and roll. I can finally charge batteries here. I have a battery charger and all my battery charging stuff, so it's accessible now. I need to do a little bit more power strips and the like, but all the electrical's working out perfect. So boys and girls, there you are, a quick update here at the Stinkbugworks, where if we can't fix it, you don't pay. Until next time, boys and girls, Jet out.